Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I've been living here in Bahrain for about 4 years now. I am from the island of Trinidad and Tobago in the West Indies, and I'm learning to swim. So I've been wanting to take swimming lessons for a very long time, and I've been trying to find a swim instructor. So I did some Google searching and some research, and I found Nano swimming, and then I looked on Facebook and I saw some of the videos and some of the recommendations. So I called up Nano Swimming to get swimming lessons. So I've taken 5 lessons with Nano Swimming so far. And the first thing I learned was how to hold my breath and be underwater without panicking. So now I can go underwater and I can swim and I can breathe. I can now do the dog paddles. I can do freestyle. I can swim on my back, which I thought I was never going to be able to do because I was always scared. And I can do the Superman. So it's a lot of fun now and I'm enjoying it. So my instructor is Nano, and she is very tough, but she makes sure that you do the work. She makes sure she explains everything, that you understand it. When you mess up, she makes you correct it. And she's very patient, and she makes sure that you learn what you need to learn, the techniques properly, so you can swim far and not get tired, how to breathe, how to do the kicks when you're kicking, to do the straight leg kicks and not bend your knees. And she's always correcting you and making sure you're doing it right so that you can enjoy swimming and do it well. So swimming, it took me a long time to learn to swim. I always wanted to learn to swim as a child, but I never had the chance to learn. I almost drowned a couple of times, so I was afraid. But if you have children, teach them to learn to swim from young, so that way they can grow up and they can be enjoying swimming. But it's never too late to learn to swim. My kids are grown, they can swim. I'm now learning to swim. So it is fun, it's good exercise, it helps you to relax. If you like being in the water, you can have fun in the water while you're playing games in the water, and you don't have to worry about drowning because you know how to swim. It's good exercise, full body. If you don't want to do aerobics or go running or go to the gym, just get in the pool and swim, and you get your exercise that way.